Hi students, let me move on to the story sums. There are 36 sweets in a box. How many sweets are there in 8 boxes? So here number of sweets in one box is 36. They given. So we need to calculate the number of sweets for the 8 boxes. What we need to do here? We need to multiply with the 8 into 36. So you will get to 88. The next, there are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in 63 weeks? They already given the number of days in a week, that would be 7, and number of day there in 63 days, that we need to calculate here. So 7 into 63, that gives 441. A car travels 58 kilometers in an hour. How many kilometers does it travel in 5 hours? So here that car travel in an hour is the given 58. So he asked the question on how many kilometers does it travel in 5 hours. So we need to calculate for the 5 hour. So that would be 58 into 5, that gives 290. In a farm there are 9 rows of trees. In each row there are 52 trees. How many trees are there in a farm? So in each row the trees are 52. So they given 9 rows. So we need to calculate for the 9 rows. 52 into 9, which gives 468. Next, distributive property of multiplication over addition. See here, the 3 into 9. So we need to distribute how? So for here 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5. So I make it a divide of 9. See 4 and 5. So that gives 12 plus 15, which gives 27. So in the next step, that 9 I make it as a 2 and 7. So 3 into 2 plus 3 into 7, that gives 6 plus 21, which gives the 27. So the next, that 9 again I make it as a 3 into 3 and 6. So here 3 into 3 plus 3 into 6, which gives 9 plus 18, that will give 27. Here whenever you have a difficult multiplication, split the bigger number to make things easier. So this is we need using here. So in the next I took one more example, that is 8 into 12. The bigger number is 12. So I make it as a group of 10 and I make it a split of 10 and 2. So here that 8 into 10 plus 8 into 2, that gives 80 plus 16, which gives 96. So here I took one more example, 7 into 12. Again the 12 is a bigger number. So the 12 I can be written as a 10 plus 2. So again 7 into 10 plus 2, that would be 7 into 10 plus 7 plus 2. 7 into 2, sorry. Which gives 70 plus 14, that will give 84. So that 12 is also, I can write it as a 9 plus 3 or 8 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 6 plus 6, so on. So you can split, you can go for any of these.